The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 230.80, addresses the bonding of a meter pan. This is crucial for electrical safety and ensuring a low impedance path for fault current. Firstly, a bonding bushing is required. A bonding bushing shall be installed at the point of entrance of the service entrance conductors to the meter enclosure. Secondly, a bonding jumper is needed. A bonding jumper shall be connected between the bonding bushing and the grounding electrode conductor at the meter. Thirdly, all metallic service entrance equipment, including the meter pan, must be bonded together with the bonding jumper. Fourthly, the grounding electrode conductor of the service entrance conductor shall be connected to the bonding jumper at the meter. Now, let's relate this to a scenario where you have run separate feeds to each fuse enclosure for each floor, using number 2 wire with a number 6 ground. To properly bond the meter pan in this setup, follow these steps. 1. Install a bonding bushing where the service entrance conductors enter the meter pan. This bushing provides a secure connection point for the bonding jumper. 2. Connect a bonding jumper between the bonding bushing and the grounding electrode conductor at the meter. This jumper ensures a continuous electrical path to ground. 3. Connect the bonding jumper to the meter pan itself. This step bonds the meter pan to the grounding system. 4. Connect the bonding jumper to the bonding conductor on the fuse enclosures for each floor. This integrates the fuse enclosures into the overall grounding system, ensuring that all metallic parts are properly bonded. This approach ensures proper bonding of the meter pan, the service entrance conductors, and the fuse enclosures, complying with the NEC requirements. Understanding the purpose of each component is essential. The bonding bushing provides a secure connection to the meter enclosure. The bonding jumper creates a lower impedance path to ground. The grounding electrode conductor connects the entire system to the earth, providing a reference point for voltage stabilization and fault current dissipation. It is very important to remember that proper grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety. They help to prevent electrical shock and minimize the risk of fire by providing a low impedance path for fault currents to return to the source, tripping the overcurrent protective device, such as a circuit breaker or fuse. Number 2 AWG copper wire has a resistance of approximately 0.1563 ohms per 1000 feet at 25 degrees Celsius. Number 6 AWG copper wire has a resistance of approximately 0.3951 ohms per 1000 feet at 25 degrees Celsius. When selecting bonding and grounding conductors, it's crucial to consult NEC Table 250.102C1 and 250.66 to determine the appropriate size based on the size of the service entrance conductors. Remember that the grounding electrode conductor connects the grounded conductor to the grounding electrode system. Bonding jumpers connect non-current carrying metal parts to the grounded conductor or grounding electrode conductor. Bonding ensures electrical continuity and low impedance fault current path. Grounding provides a reference to earth. The size of the grounding electrode conductor is based on the size of the service entrance conductors. Refer to NEC Table 250.66. The size of the bonding jumper on the supply side of the service is based on the size of the service entrance conductors. Refer to NEC Table 250.102C1. The size of the equipment grounding conductors are based on the size of the overcurrent protective device protecting the circuit. Refer to NEC Table 250.122. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local amendments for specific requirements in the area. When working with electrical systems, it's very important to follow all safety precautions, including wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it's best to consult a qualified electrician. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for electrical installations to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. Adhering to these guidelines is crucial for protecting people and property from electrical shock and fire. In summary, proper bonding of the meter pan involves installing a bonding bushing, connecting a bonding jumper to the grounding electrode conductor, and ensuring all metallic parts are connected to the grounding system. This ensures a safe and code-compliant electrical installation. Always consult the latest version of the NEC and local codes for specific requirements and to ensure compliance.